How to buy WalletConnect token. So this token came under the symbol of WCT. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use goes below. Funds your account, join the benefits, check them out in the description. Now this token will be listed on MEXC. Now to be able to buy this token on your account, you need to open your MEXC account first, as you can see. Now, if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down the description and you will be able to find the referral link on create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund your account with some USDT. Now, after that, here in the search bar, just type the WCT like that and click on your token in this pair that have USDT. Now, after you click on it, you wait a few seconds to load this page. As you can see, they said here that this token, it will be, it's came in soon. It will be listed on MEXC. Now, if this token it's listed on MEXC, to be able to buy this token, just click on buy. Now go to limit, and here you can type how much you want to buy. Here you will be able to see the total. Just click here buy WCT, and you will be able to buy this token on your account. Now, if you prefer to buy with market options, just click on markets and just drag this to set how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT in order to use it to buy this token. So this is how to buy WCT token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.